In this video, we're going to be converting units within the US Customary Measurement System. Number 9 says that a baby weighs 7.4 pounds. Pounds are usually abbreviated by LBS. Don't ask me why. How many ounces is that? So if we look at our weight, 1 pound is 16 ounces. Again, these are all conversion factors that you're expected to have memorized because it is within the same system, but I have the table up here for you in case this is your first time seeing these. If you're unfamiliar with them, I don't just want to pull them off the top of my head without showing you them on the table. So we're going to use our calculator now to say 7.4 times 16. It's going to be 118.4 ounces. One 18.4 ounces. The container holds 3 gallons of water. How many fluid ounces is that? So 3 gallons to fluid ounces. So we've got to look at our volume down here. And 1 gallon is 4 quarts. And 1 quart is 2 pints. And 1 pint is 16 fluid ounces. So gallons cancel, quarts cancel, pints cancel, and leave me with 24 times 16 fluid ounces is 384 fluid ounces. Okay. A horse ran 8 furlongs. How many yards did it run? So 8 furlongs. We're going to go up here to distance. 1 furlong is 1/8 of a mile. And then it's asking for yards. So 1 mile is 1,760 yards. This one's nice because the 8 and the 1/8 cancel each other. Miles cancel. And I'm left with 1,760 yards. All right. boat is moving at 48 miles per hour. What is its speed in knots or nautical miles per hour? We don't have units of speed on here to convert, so we're going to have to convert the distance, miles to nautical miles. So 1 nautical mile right there is surprised I don't have a direct conversion, but oh well. So 1 mile is going to be 5,280 feet. And then I can go from feet to nautical miles. Miles will cancel, feet will cancel, and my numerator is going to be 48 times 5280, which is 253,440. My denominator is going to be 6076.1, and this is going to be nautical miles per hour, which is going to be knots. And we're going to divide here by 6076.1. This is, I'm going to round to the nearest hundredth here, 41.71 knots. Let me see if I can come up with a conversion factor for you real quick here, since it's usually in most textbooks between miles and nautical miles is that there's so there's my multiplier to go from nautical miles to miles. Let's go the other way. Okay, and that's what I'm used to seeing, that 1 nautical mile is about 1.15 statute miles. Okay. So let's just check it with that conversion there. 48 times 1, divided by 1.15. I said times just a second ago. 48 divided by 1.15. And see, it's a little different, but it's very close. So to go from miles to nautical miles, you divide by 1.15. All right. we'll leave this as is here. How many gallons are in 77 barrels of petroleum? So let's look at volume. Barrel of liquid is 31 gallons. 77 barrels times 1 barrel is 33 gallons. And 77 times 33, 2541. Gallons. How many quarts are in 54 barrels of water? So we're going to start off with this same conversion factor, but we're going to go from 1 gallon is 4 quarts. So we have 54 times 33 times 4, 7,128 quarts. If a customer bought a peck of flour, how many cubic inches they buy? So 1 peck right here is 8 dry quarts. So 1 peck is 8 dry quarts. And 1 dry quart is going to be 67.2 cubic inches. So we have 8 times 67.2, 537.6 cubic inches. Again, most of the time that you do these types of problems with conversions within the same system, they're going to be giving you things that you should have memorized, like inches to feet, feet to yards, even feet to miles, and things like that. So teaspoons to tablespoons, tablespoons to fluid ounces, and so on. So be ready and expected to have to answer some questions on your test where the teacher does not give you the conversion factor. If it was something like that last problem with pecks and cubic inches, or the problems before that with barrels and gallons, since those aren't units that you deal with in everyday life, then you probably would be given those conversion factors or given a conversion table like this one for those problems. All right. See you for the next video.